everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of our favorite chicken coconut curry skewers. Okay, so I have some chicken thigh, skinless, boneless. I cut it in chunk, or you can do it in long strip as well if that's what you want to do. Okay, so I have here a soy sauce, curry powder, honey, black pepper, and coconut cream. We have this in the Philippines. They call coconut gata, the gata one. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced that right, but we do have that. And I have curry powder. I also have ginger, garlic, basil, soy sauce, lime juice. I'm gonna use the juice of these. We have calamansi, you can use that, and honey. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna marinate it and I will cook it later. Okay, so let's get started. I have here about 3/4 cup of a coconut cream. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, and I have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I have 3 tablespoons of curry powder. I have 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now you can grate it, your ginger, or you can just chop it really finely. The more you chop it fine, the more you get that flavor from the ginger. So it's up to you, okay? That's what I do it. And also the same with garlic. Chop it really fine and or chunk, whatever you prefer, okay? I have that in there. We'll put all in that in there. And I have basil. Got about 2 tablespoons of chopped basil. Okay? Or you can use cilantro or parsley too, but basil, it will make it taste better. Get that more flavor. Okay, so now I have some honey. So I'm going to put about 5 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so I got alright, so I have 5 tablespoons of honey here. Okay, and I have my lime. I'm just gonna squeeze it here. My kids love these chicken skewers. I know we have some in the Philippines, and once in a while I go to the Asian store, we buy those chicken frozen in the skewers, and my kid said doesn't taste very good, so I have to make my own. So there you go. I have actually different kind, but today I'm making the coconut curry flavor. Okay, so now I have some black pepper. It's already all grind. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of that and just go like that. Okay, now, so I'm just gonna mix it all up, and then you can leave it in the bowl, or you can transfer them into a Ziploc or container with the cover and just leave it in the refrigerator. Okay, so we are going to make my peanut sauce and my cucumber pickle to serve on the side. Here we go. Just like that. So that was really easy. Okay, so we'll do my peanut sauce. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and then we'll do the peanut sauce. Let's make our peanut sauce. You can also mix this in a bowl, and just really whisking it really good until smooth. Or you can have a food processor or a blender, okay, to mix it up. So let's get started. I have peanut butter, okay, soy sauce, grated ginger, okay, 2 cloves of garlic, chicken broth. I got honey, curry powder, and I'm going to add also my coconut cream. Alright, here we go. So, and then I'm also gonna add my lime juice. So I'm just gonna squeeze one whole lime juice in there. You can use calamansi as well. Okay, now we're gonna blend them. Alright, let's see. Perfect. That's it. That was really easy. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in just a minute. Okay, let me just pour it in here. So this is my peanut sauce that I make. Alright, and as you put them on the refrigerator and sit there for a while, they're gonna get a little bit thicker as well. For a day, it gets really thick. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of this chili. Okay, now I have my apple cider vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar. You can use actually plain, but I like apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that. There we go. And 2 tablespoons of just plain water. And there you have it. 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of just water. And you just mix it up. Okay, so just like that. Alright, I'm gonna give it a taste. Excuse my finger. Delicious. Okay, so that's all you need. If you want it a little bit more sour, add some more vinegar. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump that in here, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator until we're ready to serve. So here I am, guys, doing my barbecue outside. Okay, smelling up the whole neighborhood. Here you go, guys. Beautiful chicken curry. Okay, guys, here is the finished chicken curry coconut skewer. We just finished dinner and they just devoured the whole thing. I only have one left. The combination of making the pickled cucumber and red onion and the peanut sauce all together is really good. So if you make also a vegetable skewer, I just brushed it with olive oil and you just slightly salt, not too much. Give it a try. Alright, until next time, guys, happy cooking. Bye.